Good day everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to Adem's TV. It's your boy Matthew Adeyemi. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. And please if you are watching this video now and you have not yet to subscribe, just kindly click on the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you can get notified. So in today's video, I would like to teach us the easiest way to place your logo design into a mockup in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So just watch me, trust me, it's very simple, nothing bad, nothing difficult in this. You can actually achieve this as well. So the first thing here is to import my mockups. So I'll click on this and come down to open. Actually, this mockup is a premium stuff, so and I get it from free pick, so you can as well go down to free pick to grab your copy. So now, the first thing here is to click on my F7 to bring out the layer. So I'll double click on this thumbnail. Just check this thumbnail, I'll double click on it. Yeah, I'll double click on it again. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So to bring in my logo, so I have to off this, switch it off, and then come down to file again and come down to place embedded. So I'll click on it to import my logo. So I'll click on boom, but I'm not okay with this, very small, so let me increase the size. Yes, I'm okay. Yeah, boom, that's great. So the first thing here is what, see this cancelled icon. So I'll click on it, save changes to Adobe format, Adobe Photoshop document. I'll click on yes. Boom. As you can see here, this is not what we want. So all you have to do here is what, you see this effect, you have to click on it and scroll down to levels, turn everything off. Boom. Yeah, this is all we want. So I'll go back and I'll as well click on this cancel button again to save changes. I'll click on yes. Boom. Yeah, so that is that. Very simple and easy. So as you can see, our work is done, but this size is not okay. It's not okay. This size is not okay for, like, maybe you want to use it for your DP, your WhatsApp DP or anything. You see that this size is not okay, so you have to just resize it. And to achieve that in Photoshop, you just have to come down to your crop tools and to shape it into whatever you want. Here I've already selected it to square shape, and if you're not okay with this square shape, you can create your own costume. So you can as well like play around. I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, so boom. So that's that. So this is how I achieve it. So please, if you're watching this video and you find this video helpful, just kindly click on the subscribe button, and as well you can drop your comment so that whenever I maybe you don't understand some stuff, trust me, I will reply your message. Thanks so much. Love you.